Anthony Gose joins us on Baseball Central. Anthony, how hard is it to be this close to Toronto, see what's going on with this team, and keeping your focus on what you got to do for the Buffalo Bisons?
It is challenging. It is challenging to be, I guess you can say this close, but at the same time, I've been lucky enough in my career. I've been surrounded by great people, great coaches, and I've been surrounded by one of the best that I've ever played for, if not the best, in Marty Brown, and he's definitely helped me through this process tremendously with just helping me keep focus on what I have going on here and helping this team win and doing what it takes to play at the next level, but just remaining focused on what's happening here with the Buffalo Bisons.
Well, Anthony, I got to tell you, I saw you play in spring training, and I wanted you on this team so bad. I mean, I was just pushing so hard to have you with the Blue Jays. I think your ability to play the game is amazing. But obviously the Blue Jays want you to work on some things at AAA. Can you elaborate on what some of the things the Blue Jays would like to see you improve before you inevitably are called up to join this team?
They want to see me hit the ball like everybody else. They want to see me hit the ball and obviously not strike out 200 times a year. And that's the whole goal is to come down here, play the game hard, just go out every day with the intent to win every ball game and, playing hard and hit the ball.
Well,
that's been the storyline of my career is if I can hit, I can play. If I don't hit, I won't play.
Well, I have to reference a certain game wherein everybody on your team was hitting the ball. You recently beat Syracuse 27-9. And, having spent some time in the minor leagues, you kind of just want to get the game over with at some point. At some point when the score reached, I don't know, in the low 20s, were you and your teammates out there like, okay, enough is enough, it's over, can we just stop hitting? Did you ever feel that way at some point?
Oh, I definitely felt that way because at that point I was still 0 for 5 with 3 strikeouts. So I was like, fellas, I really don't want to go 0 for 6, 0 for 7. Can we go home? Can we go home tonight? I just want to get out of here. No, it's you're playing that game, and it did get out of hand. But at the same time, it was like these at bats still count. These we need to just keep rolling. You don't want to break any momentum because we're trying to roll it into the next game, and we're fortunate enough to do that whole road trip, and we came out ahead that whole road trip going 8-0, and it was great. So you want it to. You're like, all right, let's just let's see if we can get this over with. But at the same time, you want everybody to get their hits because there's going to be days later on in the season when you don't get hits, and those hits,
sure,
those hits go a long way.
Anthony Gose joins us in Baseball Central. The Buffalo Bisons are at home for a doubleheader against Pawtucket today. Anthony, you guys had some as quite often happens in this area, some nasty weather at the start of the season. How much of a factor has that been in trying to get into a rhythm, trying to sort of get into the full season swing when you've had games where you've had snow or you've had rain or cold weather?
The way I look at it and tell everybody is, hey, we can just play these doubleheaders, take the day off because there's going to be a time in the season where we don't get any rain outs and guys are hanging, pitchers are tired, position players are wearing down. At some point, there's going to be a period where you're going 30, 40 games without a day off or, 20 games in a row and you just, you want the day off. So why not just take it now and,
sure,
rest the body and hopefully later on down the season, it's a little bit easier for everybody. So I don't mind them.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, I don't mind 14 innings and have a day off yesterday and, hopefully everybody's feeling that much fresher later on in the season when we don't have those days off, when the weather's, beautiful every day. And
this is
we
what,
want them for, different reasons.
This is your fourth doubleheader since the 14th of April, right?
Yes.
Wow. Well, I agree with Anthony. I mean, I like the days off too, but oftentimes you don't actually get a day off. You're like at the ballpark for 3 hours praying that the umpires and the owners will decide to call it, right? I mean, have you had some long days of playing cards at the ballpark while you waited for decisions, or has it been one of those seasons where you pretty much knew the day you woke up the weather is so bad there's no way you're going to get the game in?
There was we had that stretch where we were they've canceled 4 games consecutively, and yesterday, our game was canceled early. And that's been the beauty of it is we've been fortunate we haven't had to, sit around and just look at the TV and sit around and be bored and play cards all day. We've been fortunate enough to know where the weather's been so bad that it was like, hey, we're really not going to get this in. Everybody just go home, take it easy. And that for me has been a benefit because, like I said, hopefully later on in the season, guys are feeling that much fresher. We're able to keep going that much longer because we've had those days off, early in the season where guys got to rest.
Anthony,
it's early and nobody wants the rainouts and everybody's feeling fresh. But at the same time, there's going to be that time guaranteed during every season where, it's, hey, not everybody's ready to go. Hopefully these days here early have made up for that.
Sure. Well, speaking of ready to go, Jim Negrich is hitting 500 in 51 plate appearances. At this point in time, could he walk on water? Because, 51 plate appearances is a lot of sample to hit 500 in. That's pretty good.
I tell you what, it's been the most impressive thing I've seen yet in the minor leagues is how locked in this guy is every day, how ready to play, ready to show up, ready to be in the lineup every day. And when he's in there, it's not a matter of, he's going to get his hits. That's the way it feels right now. It's like if there's anybody we want to play, it's him.
Wow.
Because what he's done has been unbelievable. I don't know how many guys have seen anything like this, but I haven't. I'm still pretty young to the minor league system. I have never seen anybody so locked in, so consistent. It's been just remarkable. It's very impressive to see.
Anthony, listen, we appreciate you joining us today. Best of luck in the doubleheader today, and I've got a sense we'll be seeing you up here pretty soon.
Thank you.
Take care. That is Anthony Gose of the Buffalo Bisons.